All right, this is for all those who don't believe me that I got a low mileage on this car. Honda Civic 2004. Boom. The UEs. When I originally got this car, it was at 35,000 mileage. I put 2,000 miles in the mud. You feel me? Yeah, it's still running strong.
My style, untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone.
Yeah. All right. So here she is. My Honda Civic 2004 LX right here in 2026. This is what I upgraded. It went from the stock into this touchscreen stereo right here. Not the best, but at least it fits, you know, and it works. This is just how she looks like in the inside. That's what she said. You know what I'm saying? Pretty cool, man. Not bad of a pickup. I actually bought this car with 35,000 mileage on it. A lot of these fools don't believe me, man. They say something must be wrong with like the reader, or maybe I was like lying, but check it out. What does that say, man? What does that say? Exactly, 38,000. Of course, I put like 3,000 into this car already, but you know what I'm saying? Turns on. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Yeah. But yeah, man, this is how she is in the inside. Got a little scruffs right here. You know what I mean? From I guess taking out the key, and I'm holding it like this, trying to open the door. Probably scratch that up. When I got this car, this handle right here was all messed up, and they like electrical taped it on that side as well. The chrome was coming off, and it was like cutting our fingers and stuff. I recently replaced all 4 of these. This whole housing right here. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice, though. And what I noticed about this car is that it doesn't have that much space in here. As you can see, only 2 cup holders. And, you know, this little thing right here in the middle compartment. This is what it comes with right here, just this little spot. And I went on Amazon and got these storages. And of course, a phone holder for the vent. And I could just move this up, access these if I need to. But yeah, it's just lack of storage in this car. But other than that, I think it's pretty dope. It does the job. It's very reliable. This car is very reliable. It's a smooth ride. If you guys want me to do updates on this car, I will be more than happy to. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just a little quick insight of how this car looked like. I also put in a dash camera, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of crazy people don't know how to drive here in Cali. So yeah, man. Let's go look outside. That's how she looks like on the outside. I got her windows tinted all around. I just painted her wheels. I had bought those wheels off of Facebook Market, and it was like all white. And I just repainted them bronze. I think it looks nice. Got new tires on her as well. And yeah.